Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you would be fit and fine inside your homes. It is pandemic that is putting pressure on the entirety of J&K and life is at stake. Better is to remain inside your homes, restrict your movement so that you can defeat it, and by sitting in home isolation you can prepare yourselves well for the coming examinations. And before starting my class, I am congratulating Bag family from Punjab, Nadia Beg, daughter of Ghulam Muhammad Beg, a teacher by profession. Yesterday, when results were declared, she cracked Indian Administrative Examinations, that is IAS, with a difference, and it's a proud moment for whole district of Para, and many congratulations to Naida Beg. Dear students, class 12 subject English portion grammar and topic under discussion is very important writing skill, that is advertising. First of all, you need to know what is advertising. Advertising is a skillful, exciting, colorful, and resourceful way of communication. Dear students, you can't find any place in the world where these advertises are not seen. These advertises are seen on the roadsides, on top of the buildings, on carrying bags, wherever you are. That means the advertising is important communication skill. It has a purpose. I'm discussing you what purpose it has. So on roadsides, on carrying bags, on top of the buildings, all surfaces. I mean all surfaces, some advertisement is written. So the purpose of advertise is to present a product or organization in order to attract people to buy these products or come to visit that very organization, so that the flourishing image of the organization will build up, and the organization what it has been set up, it will fetch the maximum benefit. Dear students, so the advertisement is a very important communication skill. I'm repeating it. It's exciting, colorful, skillful, resourceful way of communication. The main purpose of advertisement is to present a product or organization in order to attract people to buy these products or visit these organizations for different purposes, so that they the organization or the product sellers will fetch the maximum benefit. But it has definitely a language. It is language should be catchy and arresting and simple. You might are watching the advertisement on TV screens also while watching news or educational programs. The purpose of these advertisement is only to attract the people to buy the products, so that the company or organization will fetch the maximum benefit. The present age, we can say it is the age of advertisement. But I am giving how to now a question arises how to design a advertisement. So, sole purpose of the advertisement is to catch the people or attract the people to buy a particular product of a company or of an organization, so that that very organization will fetch the maximum benefit. Or it will tell people where you have to reach and what products are available in the particular shop or organization. So design, how we design. For example, you have to design advertisement for the Redmi Note 8 mobile phone. Even you are watching these advertises or you are seeing these advertises on the newspapers daily, and they are written either on full page or one fourth of the page or half page. So you can use half page, one fourth of page or full page for making an advertisement. So how can we design Redmi Note 8 mobile phone for sale to make an advertisement? First of all, Redmi, you have to look Redmi Note 4 smartphone. Here, then it is features. 6-inch display, dual SIM smartphone, high battery backup, 20 pixel camera, front camera with 8 pixel, and fifth feature, it is available now in brown and golden colors. This is the features of the Redmi for smartphone, and when this advertise goes, when you paste it somewhere, the people will definitely see it and they will get attracted to buy this product. Example, and in the end you have to write down, it is available on Bag Mobile Gallery, Wilgam. For further details, you can contact 7006782124 or WhatsApp the same number. Dear students, this is how we write the advertisement and attract people to buy a product. And the sole purpose of is to present a product or organization to fetch the maximum benefit. Dear students, after watching this video, if any sort of confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, and your confusion or query shall be answered. And before leaving class, I'm advising you to remain stick to the books and also see the design of advertisement on your available English reference book so that you can grasp the concept very well in the end. Before leaving, I'm congratulating Naida Beg, daughter of Ghulam Ahmad Beg of Punjab, who cracked in the IAS examination, a very prestigious examination, and many congratulations to Beg family and particularly that very student because she's my daughter for gaining this height. Thanks, be blessed.